Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we discussed what is the concept of area under the curve, under the simple curves, and we discussed some examples also. Today in this session, we will start exercise 8.1. In that first question, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to x and the lines x equal to 1 comma x equal to 4 on the x-axis in the first quadrant. We need to find the region only in the first quadrant. Now in previous models we done both areas are symmetric areas. Now y square equal to x is clearly it is the first type of parabola, type 1. The x limits also given, x is from 1 to 4. Now it's clearly what is the diagram of y square equal to 4ax form. This is actually the form of y square equal to x. And x value is what? 1. For example, I will take this is 1 and this is 4. This is x equal to 1 and this is x equal to 4. I need the region between the curve and the x equal to 1 and 4 and x-axis only in first quadrant. Actually in between these two given data, two parts are there, but they are asking particularly this region. Only this area is enough. What is this area? I will take name A, B, C, D. That is the required region. Area equal to area of region A, B, C, D, A. Here we are taking with respect to x means function also we have to convert y in terms of x, that is root x. Here for this region, what is a restricted region? Limits is what? From 1 to 4. Curve dx. What is a curve? Y dx. Y means what? Root x into dx. Don't take double because they are asking particularly in the first quadrant. Integral 1 to 4, this you can write x power 1 by 2 dx. Integral of x power 1 by 2 what? X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. How means? X power 1 by 2 plus 1 is 3 by 2 by 1 by 2 plus 1. 1 to 4. Now substitute this 2 by 3, 3 by 2 becomes reverse. 2 by 3, x power 3 by 2 from 1 to 4. Remaining all right here. Now 2 by 3 into, substitute upper limit. What is upper limit? 4 power 3 by 2 minus 1 power anything is 1. 2 by 3, this you can write 2 square whole power 3 by 2 minus 1. 2 cancel. 2 by 3 into 2 cube 8. 8 minus 1, 7. So what is the answer you will get? 14 by 3 square units. Next, second problem. When coming to second problem, find the area of the region. Area of the region bounded by y square equal to 9x, comma x equal to 2, comma x equal to 4 on the x-axis in the first quadrant. Same concept here. This also type 1 parabola. Limits is given clearly. Y square equal to 4x form. This is y square equal to 9x. X values take approximately. Here I will take 2, here I will take 4. Okay. Now here this is x equal to 2 line and another one is x equal to 4 line. We need only in the first quadrant region. That's why this region I am shading. Only this is a required area we need to find. Represent point A, B, C, D. Same method. What is a given parabola? Given that parabola is y square equal to 9x. The limits is given x value 2 and x value 4. Now we need y in terms of completely x. Root apply. Root 9 is 3 root x. Because we are doing with respect to x. Okay. So here area, required area equal to which region we need to find? Area of region A, B, C, D, A is a closed part. Limits is from where to where for that region? 2 to 4. Curve y dx, because we are doing with respect to x limits and x d value. 3 into root x dx. Now 3 is a constant, take common, integral 2 to 4 root x, you can get x power 1 by 2 dx. 3 into integral x power 1 by 2, what you will get? X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. From 2 to 4. 3 into 3 by 2 becomes reverse. 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 whole power, sorry, from 2 to 4 you can take. Here 3 gets cancelled. Remaining part I will write here. Remaining only left what here? 2 into upper limit substitute 4. 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2. 2 into this you can write 2 square whole power 3 by 2. Now 2 cube root meaning. 2 cube means 8. So root 8 meaning actually. So here 2 cancel. So 2 into this is 8 minus root 8 means 2 root 2. Reason understood? 2 cube is 8 by 1 by 2 meaning what? Root, square root. So multiply 2 inside. 16 minus 4 root 2 is the answer for the given data. Next, question number 3. Find the area of the region bounded by y square, x square equal to 4y, comma y equal to 2, y equal to 4 and the y axis in the first quadrant. Same, this is a third form of parabola. It will come upwards towards positive y axis and they given y limits only. That's why what is the given data? Given that x square equal to 4y and y equal to 2, y equal to 4. This clearly is a third form of parabola, means upwards will come y axis, here x axis. Here the given limits is what? Y is equal to 1, y is equal to 4. Approximately I will take this is 2. Y is equal to 2 line is always parallel to x axis and cuts y axis. And I will take this is 4. This is y is equal to 4 and this curve name is what? X square equal to 4y. Here they are asking region. This region is clearly symmetric with respect to y-axis. Now x-axis is not involved for this region because the area between the parabola and y is equal to and y is equal to 4 and y-axis. That's why only in first quadrant this region we need to find. Here x-axis is not involved. That's why we are doing with respect to y only. This is limits a, b, c, d. Required here. We need to convert y limits is there, that's why we need to convert x equal to g of y, means x value completely we need to convert in terms of y values. x equal to send square means square root. Root 4 is 2 root y. Required area equal to area of region. Which region we need? A, B, C, D, A. That region only we need. Don't find this region. Both are symmetric, but this region is not required in this case. So integral from where to where? 2 to 4. Curve is what? With respect to y means x in terms of y value is already there. That value we need to substitute. 2 root y into dy. Because limits in terms of y, function also in terms of y we got. 2 is a constant, take common, 2 to 4. Root 2 y means you can write y power 1 by 2 dy. 2 into integration what will get? Y power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 2 to 4. This will be reverse, 2 by 3. 2 into 2 by that is 4 by 3 into y power 3 by 2 from 2 to 4. 4 by 3 into 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 power 3 by 2. Directly I am writing 4, you can write 2 square, 2 gets cancelled, 2 cube means 8, 2 cube 8 root square root, root 8 means 2 root 2. You can take 2 also common from this. If you take 2 common, what will you get here? 8 by 3 into 4 minus root 2. Or you can multiply 4 by 3 only inside, you will get 32 by 3 minus 8 root 2 by 3 will get. That is the final answer for this question. Next, question number 4. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse. X square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. This clearly ellipse in standard form. Already we done with a and b, a square, b square. Like that they given numbers. Okay. What is a given ellipse? Limits is not given, we need to find x square by 16 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. By comparing, this is equation number 1. By comparing this, what? A square is equal to 16, a is equal to, we'll take 4. One value is enough. Next, b square equal to 9, b equal to 3. Here is not restricted, we need to find complete area of ellipse. Okay. Clearly A is greater than B, standard form only. Now A value clear, this is center of this ellipse. This is what? 4, that is 4 comma 0. This is 0 comma 3. B value 3 is there, that's why. Here one part is symmetric with other part, that means same. So I will find this area first. I will make 4 times because total area of ellipse having 4 equal parts is there, bounded region. That's why I will find OA, BO region, I will make 4 times. Okay. Now the region we can find. Before finding, I will take with respect to x means we need to take x limits only. Now here lower limit is 0 because on y axis x value 0, upper limit is what? Up to 4. That is a restricted area we need to find. Now for that we need to find y in terms of x. From 1, y square by 9 equal to 1 minus x square by 16. Y square equal to, take LCM, 9 will cross multiply, 9 by 16 remaining 16 minus x square. Now y is equal to, root apply means what will get? 3 by 4 into root of 16, you can write 4 square minus x square. Now required area, that means complete area. How to find? 4 times of area of region OABO. One part if you find, make 4 times, you will get the total ellipse area we will get. 4 into integral 0 to 4 only. because limits is from 0 to 4. What y function? 3 by 4 into root of 4 square minus x square dx. Now we'll solve. Wait. Now if you take that 4 get cancelled, only 3 will come outside. Integral 0 to 4, what remaining? Root of 4 square minus x square dx. It is in the form of, here 4 gets cancelled ma. Integral root of a square minus x square formula. What formula? X by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square. That means 4 square means 16 by 2 into sine inverse of x by a, that is x by 4. Limits is from 0 to 4. 3 into upper limit substitute 4 by 2, okay. Here 4 square, x value 4, that's why value becomes 0. 16 by 2, 8. Sine inverse of 4 by 4, 1. Minus lower limit, 0 into anything, 0. Plus 16 by 2, okay, 8. Sine inverse of 0 again, 0. What remaining value left here? 8 sine inverse 1. Here 3 8s are 24. Sine inverse 1 means at which angle? Pi by 2. Here 2 1s are 2 12s are. That is 12 pi is the answer. If you have to verification purpose, already we know area of ellipse formula pi AB. For your answer is correct or not, we have to check means A value 4, B value 3. Now pi AB. 4 3s are 12 pi, you will get answer. Same answer you got. Okay. I'll give same model question homework. Same model ma. But with respect to y-axis will come on diagram. Method all same. Find the area of the region bounded by the ellipse x square by 4 plus y square by 9 equal to 1. By comparing a square is 4, a value 2, b value 3 will come. So a is less than b means the diagram will come with respect to y axis. But we can do with respect to x limits only, no problem. Or I can do with respect to x or y limits. This is a homework question, everyone complete. Next, question number 6. This is also 5 marks important. Already we discussed one question in examples. Find the area of the region in the first quadrant enclosed by x-axis, comma line x equal to root 3y and the circle x square plus y square equal to 4. In the region between the line, circle and x-axis, between these curves we need to find the area. Here limits is not given. The limits we need to find where this line and circle is intersecting. By solving those two equations we will get the restricted limits or points of intersection. First given circle, what? X square plus y square equal to 4. Take it as equation number 1. And the line x equal to root 3y is equation number 2. From this I will find the y value. Y what will get? X by root 3. This I will take equation number 2. This clearly y is equal to mx form. Y is equal to mx is always passing through origin. When m is a positive, passing in first quadrant and third quadrant. When m is a negative, it is passing in second and like this. M is positive, it will come line. Y is equal to mx. When y is equal to minus mx means this is the line. Okay. These terms we need to remember, already discussed in straight lines first year. Now we don't know points of intersection of these two. We need to find these. How to find? Substitute y is equal to x by root 3 in equation 1 in the place of y. X square by 3 equal to 4. LCM take 3x square plus x square equal by 3 equal to 4. 4x square by 3 equal to cross multiply by no problem, that is 12. Now 4 ones are 4, 3s are. X value what will get? Plus or minus root 3. X value square root of root 3 plus or minus root 3. Y value we need to find. Now x value root 3. Y value substitute into root 3 by root 3. That is equal to 1. X value minus root 3. Y value minus root 3 by root 3. That is minus 1. Now from this we can write points of intersection. Points of intersection we got. First point is what? Root 3 comma 1. Next minus root 3 comma minus 1. That means these two curves intersecting in first quadrant and third quadrant. Now from this we can draw the diagram. Now for this circle, what is center of the circle? Center is 0 comma 0. Radius, we can write x square plus y square equal to 2 square. So r is 2. Easily we can identify that circle is having center is origin. Radius is what? 2. From center is origin. 2 means this is the point 2 comma 0. This line passing through which one? Origin clearly. What is this line? Y is equal to x by root 3. Now here two areas are there here, splitting part. This intersection point already we know what? Root 3 comma 1. Now if you bisect this, draw perpendicular to the x-axis. This is O, this is A, this is B. And this I will take some C or M, no problem. Now from 0 to this value, this C point what will get? Same root 3 comma 1 exactly on x-axis means on x-axis y value 0, that is root 3 comma 0 C point. Now this area 0 to root 3 only line is exist. From root 3 to 2 curve is circle is exist. So two areas, this is I will take A1. This is A2. This both area sum we need to find the total area only in first quadrant. Hello, clear? From this 0 to root 3 only line is the curve. From root 3 to 2 curve only exists. Okay. Here two areas we need to find here, sum of that to find total area. First I will find for that. Second is clearly is there in the y is equal in terms of x, because I am taking with respect to x-axis and we need to convert this circle in terms of y completely in terms of x. From 1 y square what you will get? 4 minus x square. Y root of 4 you can write 2 square minus x square. Now, first A1 I will find out. A1 how to find? Limits is from 0 to root 3. 0 to root 3, only line is exist. What is the line? X by root 3 into dx. Root 3 is a constant. Integral of x is what? X square by 2. Total what you will get here? X square by 2 root 3. 0 to root 3. Substitute upper limit, root 3 whole square, 3 by 2 root 3, minus 0 whole square is 0. 3 by root 3, what you will get? Root 3, that is root 3 by 2, this is A1. Next we need to find A2. A2 region restricted from what? From root 3 to 2. Curve, what is the curve name is? Circle. Circle equation already we got y in terms of x, that is root of 2 square minus x square dx. It is in the form of integral root of a square minus x square formula. What is the formula? X by 2 into root of 2 square minus x square plus 2 square means 4 by 2 into sine inverse of x by a, that is x by 2. From root 3 to 2. Upper limit substitute 2 by 2, 2 square minus 2 square, value becomes 0, 4 by 2 that is 2, sine inverse of 2 by 2 that is 1, minus lower limit root 3 by 2, root of 2 square 4, root 3 whole square 3. Now what you will get? 1. 4 by 2 that is 2, sine inverse of root 3 by 2. We need to simplify this. A2 equal to, first value 2 into sine inverse of 1 means pi by 2 minus root 1 is 1, remaining root 3 by 2 minus into plus minus 2 into sine inverse of root 3 by 2, sine root 3 by 2 at which angle? Pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3 will get, here 2 cancel, A2 equal to here pi minus 2 pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. A2 equal to, take LCM, 3 pi minus 2 pi, that is pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. Now total area or required area. Total area means what? We need to add A1 and A2. A1 is there what? Root 3 by 2. A2 is pi by 3 minus root 3 by 2. Now both values gets cancelled, and what is the answer? Pi by 3 is the answer, is important for 5 marks. Next, question number 7. Seventh question, find the area of the smaller part. Area of smaller part of the circle x square plus y square equal to a square, cut off by the line x equal to a by root 2. Now area between the circle and this curve we need to find. Now given circle what? Given that x square plus y square equal to a square. Center is clearly 0, 0 and radius is a. And the line what is given clearly? X equal to a by root 2. Limits will get from here only, no need to solve separately. Based on given data, I am drawing the circle and the line. Now center of the circle is what? Origin. This is the area or radius is clearly a, 0. A by 2 is more or a by root 2 is more? A by 2 is more. Reason? Consideration wise, a by 2 is less will get, because 2 is a bigger. If you divide it with number, this will becomes less and this will becomes more. That's why a by root 2 is still more than a by 2. A by 2 means half of a will get, midpoint of this between 0 to a. A by root 2 means still it is a more of a by 2 will get. That's why here I am taking a by root 2. Exactly if you take a by 2 here, a by root is still more than that. So this is a line is what? X equal to a by root 2. Okay. This is a small region we need to find. They are not restricted any quadrant. I will find this region. I will make double. This is A, B, C. I will make the double because first quadrant they not mentioned. We need to find both above part and below part. When they mention clearly, we can take only single part. But we are not sharing both. we will make the double. Whenever required, we will make the double. Here double required reason, they not mention the only in first quadrant. Now the reason is present in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. Okay. Now curve, circle we need to change, only circle is involved here. This is a clearly line parallel to y axis. Now from circle, y square equal to a square minus x square, y equal to root of a square minus x square. Required area. The measured student, they will forget to take double here. Reason, two areas, they not restricted first quadrant only. That's why we need to take both areas. That's why 2 times of area of region. What is the region? ABCA. 2 into integral. At A, what is the limit? Lower limit of x is a by root 2. To upper limit is a up to a. Curve, what is the curve is there? Root of a square minus x square dx. Here only look at the total area. Formula we know already, x by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. The limits is from a by root 2 to a. Substitute upper limit. If you substitute upper limit, first value becomes 0. Here a square by 2 into sin inverse of a by a, that is 1, minus of lower limit. A by root 2 by 2, that is a by 2 root 2, root of a square minus a by root 2 whole square, that is a square by 2, plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of a by root 2 by a cancel. You will get what? 1 by root 2. Here we need to simplify. 2 into, later we will multiply that value, a square by 2 into sin inverse of 1 means pi by 2. Here minus a by 2 root 2 into, LCM is what? 2. 2a square minus a square. Only a square by 2 means what you will get? It means one more step, alright, no problem. Root of a square by 2 plus minus into plus is minus a square by 2 into sin inverse of 1 by root 2 means angle is pi by 4. 2 into here pi a square by 4 a by 2 root 2 into a by root 2 minus pi a square by 8. 2 into, for these two terms, what is the LCM? 8. 2 times will multiply here. 2 pi a square minus pi a square by 8. Here a into a square, root 2 into root 2, 2 2's are 4. Now 2 into, remaining what? Pi a square by 8 minus a square by 4. Still LCM you can take, 8 is the LCM. If you take 8 is a LCM, what you will get? Pi a square minus 2a square. 2 1's are 2 4's are. Final answer is what? Pi a square minus 2a square by 4 square units is the answer. So next, question number 8. The area between x equal to y square and x equal to 4 is divided into two equal parts by the line x equal to a, comma, find the value of a. Here a value we need to find. The area between parabola and x equal to 4 line, that area is divided by x equal to a line to equal parts. Then we need to find the value of a. Now given parabola y square equal to x, that means first form of parabola, and x equal to a is there and x equal to 4 is there. two lines. The concept what they statement what they given as it is we need to follow. A is some value, we don't know unknown value, it is 0. And if we take this is x equal to 4, this is the area bounded by the curve and x equal to 4 line. This area is divided by the line x equal to a, two equal parts. O, capital A, capital B, C, D. That means the area of region OADO equal to the area of region ABCDA. Both are equal is given statement. Then we need to find A value. For OADO limits is what? From 0 to A. From region ABCDA limits is what? From A to 4. Find the curve in terms of x man. Y is equal to root x. Root x means we can take x power 1 by 2 directly here only. Given that area of region OADO equal to area of region ABCDA. For this region limits is from 0 to A. Curve is same parabola only, x power 1 by 2 dx equal to, for this region is A to 4 limits x power 1 by 2 into dx. The integral of x power 1 by 2 what you will get? X power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 from 0 to A equal to x power 3 by 2 by x 3 by 2 will get, limits is from A to 4. Now 2 by 3 reverse will come. 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 from 0 to A. 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2 in limits is from A to 4. 2 by 3 gets cancelled. Now you will substitute the upper limit and lower limit in the place of x. A power 3 by 2 minus 0 equal to 4 power 3 by 2 minus A power 3 by 2. This negative value, take this side, it becomes positive. 2a into power 3 by 2 will get, this negative value completely this side. 4 you can write 2 square, that is 2 square whole power 3 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled. 2 into a power 3 by 2 equal to 2 cube is 8. Here 2 ones are, 2 fours are. Where a power 3 by 2 equal to 4. Now this, if you take this power right side, it will becomes reverse 2 by 3. That's why A value finally what? 4 power 2 by 3. Still you want to simplify means 4 square 16 cubed root. That means 16 power 1 by 3 is the value of A. Okay, next question. This is important for 5 marks. 9th one. Find the area of the region bounded by the parabola y is equal to x square and y equal to mod x. Now given parabola is a third form of parabola, x square equal to 4ay form. Towards positive y axis will come upwards. That is x square equal to y. And here y is equal to mod x can be two forms will come. We know already those two forms. X if x is greater than or equal to 0, minus x if x is less than 0. I will take one curve is enough, y is equal to x, and here this is taken as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Points of intersection we don't know because limits is not given. Okay, by solving, that means substitute y is equal to x in equation 1. In the place of y, substitute x square equal to x. In the place of y I taken, don't cancel x and x because line and curve intersect at 2 points. Those 2 points we need to find. Take this side, x square minus x equal to 0, x common, x minus 1, either x value 0 or x value 1. X value 0, from second equation y also what will get? 0. If x value 1, y value also 1. Here points of intersection. Points of intersection. What? 0, 0, 1, 1. Here y-axis and x-axis. Negative side also both will get same thing. Y is equal to minus x if you take means 0, 0, minus 1, minus 1 will come. One more point. Those no need to find here. This is the third form of parabola clearly. This is x square equal to y or y is equal to x square. This is the origin point. And I will take this is 1, this line is y is equal to x. Now if you take this is a 1, this point is 1, 1. This is one reason we need to find here. But here above is a line is there, it is not parallel to x-axis or y-axis. When it is parallel to x-axis, that is a single value will come, but this is not a value, it is a curve is there, function in terms of variable is there. And another line is what? Y is equal to minus x. This is y is equal to minus x line. This point if you got, you will get minus 1, 1 will get. X value minus 1 means y value plus 1 only. Okay, this is the origin point. Now these both areas we need to find here, they are not restricted only first quadrant. But to find this area and this area, I will find 2 times of this area enough because both are symmetric part. I am not finding again separately both areas, it is not required also. That is why I will find only this region O, A, B, C, O. I will make the double. Why double means whatever area is exist here, same symmetric part will get. Because how much distance is there? 0 to 1, 1, root 2 only. 0, minus 1, 1 also, root 2 only will come. Same region will get, but upper is a line is there, lower is a curve is there here in this case. That's why to find total area equal to 2 times of area of region OABCO. This area also required, but we don't need to find this one separately because this area and this area both are symmetric to each other. That's why I am taking like that. 2 into, for this region, lower limit is 0, upper limit is what? 1. 0 to 1. But here thing is, if you take only line means this complete below line, whatever is there, everything will come. But we don't want this part. We need only up to this. Below part what is there? Curve. If you remove the curve from that, from where? From 0 to 1, from line if you remove the curve, you will get the required area, only this region. Simple logic here, line is there and curve is there. From 0 to 1 if you take, generally 0 to 1 only line if you take means what? Everything will come below of this. Up to infinity will come. But we need only this region means from this line is upper, what is the lower here? Parabola. If you subtract, this region won't come, only you will get the bounded between the line and the parabola, the required region we will get. Okay. So here upper is what? Clearly line. I am writing here. Lower is a parabola. With respect to x we are taking, that's why dx. integral 0 to 1. Line already there, what? This line. Y is equal to x. Y in terms of x clearly is there. So x minus. Parabola also there, y in terms of only x. That is x square. It's very easy, you need to understand. Now 2 into integral of x is x square by 2. Integral of x square is x cube by 3 from 0 to 1. 2 into upper limit substitute, 1 square is 1, 1 cube is 1. Substitute lower limit, 0 minus 0. Now 2 into, take LCM, 2, 3 LCM is 6, 3 minus 2 by 6. That is 2 into 1 by 6. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. Answer is 1 by 3. It is important for 5 marks. So next, question number 10. Find the area of the region or area bounded by the curve x square equal to 4y and the line x equal to 4y minus 2. Now here line and parabola, third form of parabola is given. Area bounded between these two we need to find. Now given that when these two curves are given, line and or any curve is given, they won't give limits. Limits we need to find by solving those two equations. What is the parabola is there? X square equal to 4y. From this I will find y value. Y value what? X square by 4. Convert y completely in terms of x. Line x equal to 4y minus 2. Now x plus 2 equal to 4y. Y equal to what? X plus 2 by 4. Here only I will find. Curve y is equal to f of x form. Where these two are intersecting we don't know clearly. We need to find. Now from 1 and 2. Both side, left side what is there? Y. That's why you can equate right side. 4, 4 cancel. Send these two values this side. X square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. Factors. Minus 2 factors is minus 2x plus x minus 2 equal to 0. X common x minus 2 plus 1 common x minus 2. Now x minus 2 into x plus 1 equal to 0. From this x value either minus 1 or 2. From these values we need to find the same parallel we can write solving x equal to minus 1. From first equation y equal to minus 1 whole square, that is 1 by 4. X equal to 2 from first equation only. Y equal to 2 square 4. 4 by 4 is 1. Here we got points of intersection. Which are points of intersection? Minus 1 comma 1 by 4, 2 comma 1. For this we need to draw the graph. This is a completely we can write as it is. Solving side by side you can write. Now what is the graph we will get? Now given curve is clearly third form of parabola towards y axis, x square equal to 4y. The line is intersecting at which points? Minus 1 comma 1 by 4. X value minus 1, y value 1 by 4. This point I am taking. Next, x value 2, y value 1. X value 2, y value 1. Approximately I am taking this is 2 comma 1. This is clearly minus 1 comma 1 by 4. This is the region we need to find here. Both are above x-axis only there. Clearly positive, no issue. This is what? X equal to 4y minus 2 is the line is exist. Now region is from where to where? from minus 1 to 2, upper is what is there? Line. Lower is what is there? Curve. Subtracting upper minus lower. Now, the required area. Already we converted both y in terms of x. A required area, total area. Required area equal to, limits is from minus 1 to 2. Upper is line is there. Minus lower is parabola into dx. Line and parabola both we converted y in terms of x. What is the line is already converted? X plus 2 by 4 minus parabola x square by 4. We have doubt means upper minus lower. If you are taking reverse also take modulus for this. You will get answer is positive only. LCM is 4. Take LCM 4 outside. 1 by 4 into integral minus 1 to 2 x plus 2 minus x square dx. Now 1 by 4 integral of x square by 2 integral of 2 2x integral of x square x cube by 3. Substitute upper limit 2 square 4 by 2 2 2s are 4 2 cube 8 by 3 that is the upper limit minus lower limit minus 1 whole square 1 by 2 minus 2 minus 1 whole cube minus 1 minus of minus plus 1 by 3. I'll simplify here remaining part 1 by 4 into 4 by 2 that is 2 plus 4 that is 6 minus 8 by 3 minus 1 by 2 plus 2 minus 1 by 3. 1 by 4 into 6 plus 2 8 minus 1 by 2 minus 8 by 3 minus 1 by that is minus 9 by 3. 1 by 4 8 minus 1 by 2 minus 3. From this 1 by 4 into 8 minus 3 that is 5. 5 minus 1 by 2. Take LCM 5 2s are 10. 10 minus 1 9. That is 1 by 4 into 9 by 2. Answer is 9 by 8. Square units is the answer. Now given only one question homework. That question complete. Remaining questions we will discuss in next session. Thank you.